When I go to other conferences, I see a bunch of guys and it's suits and it's kind of stuffy sometimes. And we really want to let ladies know that this is a safe place where they can learn, they can grow, they can establish relationships with the other women that are here, they can network, and they can be confident in themselves and their abilities. We really nurture the ladies' perspective. And then we throw in some real estate.
So this is my second year alive, and I wanted to track this year everything that I've done different from the things I learned last year. When you count it all up, I've made an additional $75,000 worth of stuff just from my mindset change from being a regular real estate agent to looking for better opportunities and more deals.
Whitney is hysterical. She is so funny out there, and she wants to improve people's lives one at a time, and I really feel that from her.
These ladies are fabulous. Everybody, it's like one big family. It's as though you've known them forever because everyone is at a different skill level and everybody is willing to help everyone else.
I've met people from Washington State, I've met people from California, from St. Louis, Missouri, from Maine. We are a diverse group of women, but we are here, we are motivated, we are encouraged, and now we're going back out to do what it is that we're meant to do.
Grab a girlfriend and come down, because it's all about women, empowering women, and teaching you things that will change your life forever.
Don't hesitate, don't think about it, just jump right in and do it. You'll thank yourself later.